Do sections of your block foundation look like this? Mortar joints can fail from top to bottom of our foundation walls, which can weaken the wall structure. This can leave voids for moisture damage and unwanted pests. Block mortar failure can be caused by bowing, shearing, tipping, and water damage. Our team of professionals can repair these areas to be stronger than they were before. This can be accomplished with mortar stitches or even carbon fiber. Look to Anew Damage Restoration for your foundation repair needs.